You have been reading for many purposes. First, you read to form an opinion about the relationship between bats and humans. Next, you read closely and highlighted specific information in the text to improve your vocabulary and increase comprehension. Then, you read with a focus on finding the answers to specific questions about the text. Now, you are ready to do some advanced thinking while reading informational text. We'll do some more work on finding the main idea along with the key details in the text. Turn to page 30 in your student books. Follow along as I read and explain the structure of informational text. Well-written text has organization. Some informational text is organized using main ideas and key details. The main idea tells what the paragraph is about. The key details give more specific information about the main idea. Proficient readers ask themselves questions while looking for the main idea and details. Looking at the page, what question do proficient readers ask themselves when looking for the main idea? What color is that coded in your book? The green highlighting shows the main idea. The main idea tells what all the sentences are about. What color is used for the key details? Yellow highlighting shows the key details that support or tell more about the main idea. I want you to turn to pages 31 and 32 in your student books. I'm going to hand you a yellow highlighter and a green highlighter. We are going to read a passage based on Batty about bats with a focus on main idea and detail. Your eyes need to track or follow the text while your pencil points to the words. While you're busy looking and pointing to text, your brain is busy listening for the main idea. Eyes ready? Pencil ready? Let's begin. Flying and feeding. The bat can fly. It is the only mammal that can fly. Bats use wings to fly. Skin connects parts of the bat. It joins its hands, arms, and ankles. The skin makes wings. Bats fly to look for food. They fly at night. They need their wings to eat. Which sentence tells what all the sentences in the paragraph are about? The bat can fly. That is the main idea. Please highlight that sentence in green. Which sentences support or tell more about the main idea? There are at least 3 sentences in that paragraph that tell more about the fact that bats can fly. Highlight these 3 phrases or sentences yellow as I read them aloud. Only mammal that can fly. Bats use wings to fly. Bats fly to look for food. Now let's look at the next paragraph. Remember that you will be highlighting the main idea green and the key details yellow. Bats eat a lot. Bats eat half their weight each day. Food makes energy. Flying takes energy. Bats eat a lot of things. Some eat fruit. Some eat flowers. Some eat frogs and fish. Some eat lizards. Some eat bugs. They eat mosquitoes. They eat flies. They eat moths. They even eat termites. What is the main idea in that sentence? Bats eat a lot, so you're going to highlight that in green. And there are 2 details that support that main idea. Bats eat half their weight each day, and they eat a lot of things. So you're going to highlight those parts in yellow. Let's look at the next paragraph. the super sonar paragraph. Bats see with sound. They use sonar. Bats can hear where they are. They cry out. The sound comes back. It echoes. We can't hear these sounds, but bats can. Bats use other sound clues too. Bugs buzz around. Bats hear them. Lots of bugs means lots of food. What would be our main idea sentence? Yes, bats see with sound. So you're going to highlight that in green. Now there are 3 supporting details in this paragraph. You're going to highlight those key details in yellow. They use sonar, they hear where they are, and they use other sound clues too. Now we're going to find out what the rest of the paragraph that we're not highlighting is a little bit later. Let's read the first paragraph under hanging out and helping. Bats hang. They hang upside down. They hang when they sleep. Bats hang where they live. Bats live in trees. Bats live in buildings. Bats live in caves. Many live in one cave. These are bat colonies. So what would that main idea be that we're going to highlight in green? Bats hang. That's right. And we have 3 more details to support that main idea. And we're going to highlight in yellow, hang upside down, hang when they sleep, hang where they live. Now let's look at that second paragraph in hanging out and helping. Bats go to bat for the earth. They eat a lot of bugs. Bugs kill plants. Farmers could lose their farms. Millions would be hungry. Bats help plants. They scatter seeds. Think about this. There is a fruit in Asia. It makes millions in cash. What if there were no bats? This plant could not grow. It could not spread. Farmers would lose the fruit. They would lose the cash. What are we going to highlight in this paragraph for our main idea? Bats go to bat for the earth. And what are 3 supporting details that support that main idea? We're going to highlight in yellow, eat a lot of bugs, help plants, and scatter seeds. Now let's look at that final paragraph in Bats in Trouble. Today, bats are in danger. People hurt their homes. We interfere in their colonies. We use chemicals. What would be that main idea that we would highlight in green? Bats are in danger. What are 2 details that support that main idea that we're going to highlight in yellow? People hurt their homes, and we use chemicals.